Okay, good morning, class third. And yesterday we have done read the lines and answer the following questions, right? So, yes, and it was completed. And today we will do think and answer. And today your whole chapter, your full chapter will be completed. And from tomorrow, we will start second chapter, the new chapter. Okay, but before that, today we will do think and answer. Okay, so can you see this? Think, 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 and AND, and answer. AN is WER, answer. Okay, so your first question is, do you think that the Royal Museum was the right place to keep a P? Question mark, why? Question mark, discuss in the class. Okay, so your question is saying, okay, what do you think that keeping the P in the Royal Museum was the correct place or not? Okay, so question number 1, start writing. Do, do, you, you, think, 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 that, 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 the, the, royal, ROYL, R should be your capital. Okay, use capital R, royal, ROYL, royal, museum, 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 and museums M should be also in capital. Okay, MUSEUM, museum, was, WS was, the, the, right, 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 place, PLACE, to, TO2, keep, 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 a, PEA, and then use question mark. Why? W should be your capital. Okay, WHY, why? Then again you have to put question mark, and then it's written discuss, DISCUSS, and your D should be also in a capital letter. In IN, in the, the, class, CLASS, class. Okay, again we will read the question. Okay, so it's written think and answer, THINK, think, and AND, and answer, ANSWER, answer. Question number 1, do, capital D, O, DO, do, UYOU, think, 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 that, 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 the, the, royal, ROYAL, capital R, ROYAL, and R should be your in capital alphabet. Royal Museum, 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 was, 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 the, the, right, 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 place, 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 to, keep, 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 a, PEA, P, question mark, why? Now W should be in your capital alphabet or capital letter. Why? WHY, then again question mark, and then it's written discuss. So D should be in your capital alphabet. Discuss, DISCUSS. Discuss, DISCUSS. Discuss, DISCUSS. Discuss, in the, the, glass, CLASS, and it's written Royal Museum, right? So R should be capital of Royal Museum, MUSEUM. Museums, M should also be in a capital letter. Okay, now we will look in the answer, but before that, can you tell me, was it correct to put that P in the Royal Museum or not? Tell me, was it correct or not to put that P in the Royal Museum? Think and try to write the answer by yourself. Think. Okay. If the students who have written, very good, and the students who have not written or were not able to write, then you can look here. Answer number 1, yes, capital Y. Yes, YES. Then use comma. Okay, comma. I. Think, THINK. Now one thing, that the I which you are writing, if I will come alone like I am doing this, or sorry, I have done it, or I have done this, so this I is wrong. Either write this I or this I. Okay. Yes, when suppose you are writing ICE, ICE, this is correct, but when your I will come alone, yes, then this I will be your wrong. Okay, either use this I or this I. This I is written in your cursive writing. So this I is wrong. Either use this I or this I. This is your cursive writing I, and this is your simple writing I. Okay, so I'm using cursive writing, and please try to write in cursive writing. Okay. Yes, 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 comma, I think, THINK. Think, that, 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 Royal, ROYL. Again, R should be your capital. Museum, MUSEUM, and M, the museum's M should be in capital. Was, WS, was. The, the. Right, RIGST, right. Place, PLACE, place. To keep, to keep, K. Royal Museum, MUSEUM, M capital. Was, WAS, was. Sorry, the, the. Right, RIGST, right. Place, PLACE, place. To keep, KEEP, keep. A, PEAP, full stop. Because now, after full stop, you all know, I've told you before that the first words, first alphabet, okay, means first alphabet will come in your capital letter. Because, BECAUSE, CAUSE because, okay, so B should be your capital, BECAUSE because it helped, HELPED helped the Queen, QUEEN Queen to discover, DISCOVER discover princess, PRINCESS princess. So once again we will read this answer and I will explain you. Okay, so answer number 1, yes, I think that the Royal Museum was the right place to keep a P because it helped the Queen to discover princess. So your the answer is yes, the keeping P in the Royal Museum was the correct decision. Why it was a correct decision? Because it helped the it helped the Queen to discover a true princess, not new, but yes, a true princess. Okay, write this answer. Okay, so the decision for keeping the P in the right place was the correct decision because it helped the Queen to find out or to make out whether it was a true princess or not. Okay, again we will look in the answer and start writing. Answer number 1, yes, 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 comma, I think, THINK, think that, 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 Royal, ROYAL, capital R, okay, capital R, museum, MUSEUM, museum was, 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 the, the, right, RIGST, right, place, PLAC, place, and in museum you have to use capital M. I've told you before. Okay, place, 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 to keep, 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 a PEAP, full stop. Okay, it's full stop, right? Then because, capital B, E, why you have to use here capital B? Because one sentence is over and we are writing the another sentence, and the another sentence first alphabet should be in your capital letter. So because, PECAUSE, because it helped, HELPED helped the Queen, QUEEN Queen to discover, DISCOVER discover princess, PRINCESS. Here it's written discover. If you want you can write find out. Okay, both are synonyms. Yes, if you want then you can write here find out. If you feel that discover is a difficult word, then you can write here find, FIND, find out. Okay, so your think and answer is completed, and we will have a quick revision or quick reading once more. So think and answer. Question number 1, do you think that the Royal Museum, again I am saying that royals R should be capital and museums M should be capital, Royal Museum was the right place to keep a P? Question mark. Why? Question mark. Discuss. in the class. So answer number 1, yes. Comma, I think I should be a capital why why should be a capital I, that I've told you before. Okay, that this I, the, just a minute, yes, this I is wrong. Okay, when you are writing I alone, then this or this I will come. Again I'm telling you, don't do this mistake. If you are writing something, if I is with I completes a word like eyes or ink, okay, then this I can come. Okay, like here it's written eyes. But if I is your alone, then this I will come or this one will come. So I think, THINK, think that Royal Museum, again I'm telling you that your R should be capital of Royal and M should be capital of Museum, was the right place to keep a P, full stop, because it helped the Queen to discover princes, or you can write find out princes. Okay, discovers meaning is find out, or you can say synonym, or you can say same word of discover is find out. So if you feel that find out is more easy to learn than discover, then you can use your find out find out word, princess. Okay, full stop. And notes completed, and now time for your exercises. Okay, now time for exercises. So fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Means we have to fill these blanks. It's blank now, we have to fill this, but with the help of this boxes, words which are here in this box. Okay, so your A number is a dash of medicine. So what do you think that which word can come in this blank? Bar, bottle, carton, box, packet. Yes, a bottle of medicine. What will come here? A bottle of medicine. Okay, your next is a dash of chips. So what will come here? A dash of chips. Yes, a packet of chips. Okay, before that, A number, bottle, the spelling of bottle is BOTTLE, bottle. A dash of chips, a packet of chips. So a bottle, 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 of medicine, MEDICINE, medicine. B number, a packet of chips, a packet, PACKET, packet of chips, CHIPS, chips. C number, a blank, okay, of chocolates. So a bar, BAR, bar of chocolate, CHOCOLATE, chocolate. Sorry. D number, a dash of juice. So a carton of juice, CARTON, carton of juice, JUICE. E number means your fifth number, a dash of matches. So a box 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 of matches. Again we will look in this. Okay, so fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. A number, a bottle, BOTTLE, bottle of medicine, MEDICINE, medicine. B number, a packet, PACKET, packet of chips, CHIPS, chips. C number, a dash of chocolates, so a bar, BR, bar of chocolate, CHOCOLATE. Okay, a bar of chocolate. A dash of juice, a dash of juice. A carton, 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 carton of juice, JUICE, juice. E number, a dash of matches, so a box, BOX, box of matches, MATCHES, matches. Take a screenshot or pause the video. And again repeat after me. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Okay, a dash of medicine, a bottle of medicine. B number, a packet of chips. C number, a bar of chocolate. D number, a carton of juice. E number, a box of matches. Okay, yes. Now next exercise. Okay, so use the correct words to complete these sentences. So number 1, get some, SOM, some dash lemons, LEMONS, lemons from FROM, from the tree, TR tree. Okay, full stop. And in bracket it's written salty and slash fresh. So what is correct? Obviously fresh, right? So fresh, FRESH. Get some fresh lemons from the tree. B number, we were tired, so we sat under a dash tree. Dark tree or shady tree? Yes, shady tree. So we were, WERE, were tired, TIRED, tired. So so we sat, SAT, sat under, UNDR, under a. Then in blank you have to write shady, SHADY, shady tree, TREE, tree. C number, that. Now can you see this? It's written in commas. That's. Okay, so this is your apostrophe S. That's means this is your that's means that is. Okay, if S is coming, like apostrophe S is coming, then it means that is. Okay, that's a dash idea. Okay, then inverted commas are closed. The queen thought, well, good. Okay, that's a THAT''S. This means that is a good, GOOD, good idea, IDEA. And now commas are closed. The queen, the queen, QUEEN, queen thought, THOUGHT, thought. Last one, D number, the prince. Yes, last one, the prince, PRINCE and AND, and the princess, PRINCE sorry, CESS, princess, were WERE, were happily, HAPPILY, happily married, MARRIED, married. Please pause the video and take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. And from tomorrow we were going to start our next chapter, and that's chapter name is The Talkative Tortoise, and it is really an interesting chapter, and we will start tomorrow. Till then, it's your homework to learn this whole chapter. Learn the whole chapter, okay? Please learn chapter first. Class 3rd, please learn chapter first. Exercise word meanings, question answers, think and answer, read the lines, A part, B part, everything. Okay?
Good morning, students. In previous class, we have done exercise 1.4. Today, we will do exercise 1.5. You can see here exercise 1.5. Pause it and take a screenshot. Pause it and take a screenshot. Okay, students? Let's start. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Question number A. The predecessor of the smallest 2-digit number is. Okay, students. Predecessor. What is predecessor? Predecessor. The number just before a given number is its predecessor. Okay, students, the number just before a given number is its predecessor. Okay, to get its predecessor, we subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, student. So, the predecessor of the smallest 2-digit number. Everyone know smallest 2-digit number is 10. To find its predecessor, we subtract 1 from the 10. 1 from 10. Okay, 9. What is the predecessor of the 2-digit number is 9. Okay, students. Question number B. The successor of the greatest 3-digit number is. Successor. The number just before successor. What is successor? The number just after. The number just after a given number is its successor. Okay, we add 1 to the given number to get its successor. Okay, everyone know the greatest three-digit number is 999. Okay, find its successor. So we add 1 to the given number. $1,000. Okay, student. The successor of the greatest three-digit number is 1,000. 1,000. Okay, students. Question number C. The predecessor of the greatest four-digit number. The greatest four-digit number is, everyone know, 9,999. The greatest four-digit number. What is its predecessor? Predecessor. To get a predecessor, we subtract 1 from the number. We subtract 1. $9,998. We write here 9,998. Okay, students. Question number C. Question number 2. Complete the table. Complete the table. Find its predecessor and successor of the given number. Okay, student. Find its predecessor and its successor of the following number. Okay, student. Let's start. 6,749. 49. We subtract. Find its predecessor. Find its predecessor. 6,749. We subtract 1. Okay, to find its predecessor, we subtract 1. Okay, 6,748. We write here 6,748. Okay, students. We 6,749. Find its successor. We add to the number. We add to the number. 6,750. We write here 6,750. Okay, students. Everyone understand? Question number 5,554. Find its predecessor. We subtract 1 from the number. 3, 5, 5, 5. Okay, 5,553. 5,553. Okay. What is the successor of 5,554? What is the successor of 5,554? Okay, students, we add 1 to the number. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5,000. We write here 5,554. 5. Okay, students. Next question. Next question. 2540. What is its predecessor? We subtract 1 from the number 9, 3, 5, 2. 2539. We write here 2539. Okay, what is the successor? 5540. We add 1. 1, 4, 5, 2. Okay, students. So we write here 2541. Okay. To get predecessor, we subtract 1 from the given number. Okay. To find successor, to find predecessor of the given number, we subtract 1 from the given number. To find successor of the given number, we add 1 from the given number. Okay, students. Remaining question for homework. Remaining questions for homework. Do yourself, everyone. Do exercise 1.5 all on your notebook. Everyone know what is successor and predecessor? Everyone know? Okay, students. We have done exercise 1.5. Next exercise 1.6. Okay, students. Pause it and take a screenshot of exercise 1.6. Okay, students. Question number 1. Put greater than, less than, or equal to sign in the box. Okay. 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 This sign is called greater than, this sign is called less than, this sign is called equal to. Okay, students. Okay. $7,298 and 7,290. Compare the thousands are same. compare the 100. 100 is same. Compare the tens. Tens is same. Compare the ones. Compare the ones. The number with more ones shall be greater. Okay, student. Compare the thousands are same. Compare the hundreds are the same. Compare the tens are the same. Compare the ones. The number with more ones shall be greater. Okay, 8 is greater. This number is greater. 7,298 is greater than 7,290. Which sign we put here? Greater than. Okay, students. Question number B. 6,890. 6,890. Compare the thousands are same. Compare hundreds are the same. Compare tens are the same. Compare ones are the same. All the places are the same. The numbers are equal. Okay, students. The numbers are equal. All the places are the same. The numbers are equal. Question number C. Compare 1,000 places. 3, 5. Okay. The number with more thousand shall be greater. 3 is less than 5. Okay. 3 is less than 5. So that means 3,656 is less than 5,366. So we put less than. Okay, 3 is less than 5. That means 3,656 is less than 5,366. Okay, students. Question number D. Compare 1,000 to compare 1,000 are the same. Compare 100 are the same. Compare tens. 1 and 4. 1 is less than 4. That means 2014 is less than 2041. So we put less than. Okay, 2014 is less than 2041. So we put less than here. Question number E. Compare the 1,000 are the same. Compare 100 are the same. Compare tens. 0, 5. 0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. That means 1,205 is less than 1,250. We put less than here. Okay, students. Question number F. Compare 1,000 are the same. Compare 100. 6 and 4. So which number is greater? 6. 6 is greater than 4. That means 1,629 is greater than 1,474. Okay, so this number is greater than this number. So we put here greater than. Okay, students. Question number B. Question number 2. Encircle the greatest number. Encircle the greatest number. Okay. Okay. Encircle the greatest number. Which number is the greatest? Okay. Question number A. Compare the 1,000, 3, 3, 3, 3. Thousand are the same. Compare 100, 9, 8, 0, 0. 9 is greater than other numbers. That means 3980 is greatest. Okay, 3980 is the greatest number. Okay. Question number B. Compare thousands. 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, thousands are equal. Compare hundreds. 3, 3, 1, 3. Okay. Compare the hundreds. 3, 3, 1, 3. Okay, 3, 3, 3 are the same. Hundreds are the same. 1 is less than. Okay, so this number is less than smallest number. This number is smallest number. Compare the tens. 1, 0, 3. Okay, compare the tens. Compare the tens. 1, 0, 3. 1, 0, 3. 3 is greatest. Okay, 3 is the greatest. So that means 3630 is the greatest number. Okay, students. Question number 3. Encircle the smallest number. Encircle the smallest number. Same way we will do this. Compare the 1000, 2, 2, 2, 2. Thousands are the same. Compare the 100. 1, 1, 0, 3. Okay, compare the 1, 1, 1, 0, 3. 0 is smaller. Okay, 0 is smaller. That means 2025 is the smallest number. 0 is the smallest. So that means 2025 is the smallest number. Okay, students. Question number B for homework. Do exercise 1.5 and 1.6 on your notebook. Okay, students.
So, let's start the lesson. First is using the words in the box. Fill in the blanks below and label the diagram. In the picture, there is a beautiful plant, small plants. And we can see clearly these plants have many parts. This part of plant is called flower. This is branch. This is stem. This is fruit. This is leaf. And this is root. These are the parts of the plants. Like human being, plants also have many parts. The parts of the plants work together to help the plants live. Let's start the lesson. Today I am going to read the lesson and you have to listen clearly and just underline the words and their meanings. Like us, plants also have different parts. These parts work together to help the plants live. A plant is divided into two parts. The parts of the plant that remain under the ground is called root. The part which is above the ground is called shoot. Plants mostly have two parts, the root and the shoot. Parts which grow underground the earth is called root, and which is able to seen is called shoot. The root system. Plants have roots are very important for the plants. Roots absorb water and nutrients that plant need to grow. They also can store food. Some plants like radish, carrot and turnip store their food in their roots. Roots also help to support plants. Roots are two types: taproot. The second is fibrous root. First, taproot. When the main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from its main root, it is called taproot. These roots are strong and sturdy. For example, plants like mustard, cotton, balsam, mango, neem, etc. These are the taproot plant. In this picture, you can see the taproot. In the taproot, there is a main stem, and many roots grow from its main root. This is the main stem, and many small roots grow from main roots. Plants like mustard, cotton, balsam, mango, neem have this type of root. This is called taproot. Second is fibrous root. When a number of roots grow from the end of the stem, it is called fibrous root. Fibrous roots are made up of a large number of roots. For example, wheat, rice, grass, onion, etc. This is fibrous root. You can see there is no main root. All the roots, small roots, spread equally to the all direction. There are very small, thin roots. Wheat, rice, and grass and onion have this type of root. This is fibrous root. The shoot system. The shoot system includes the above ground structure of plants. That means it includes the leaves, buds, stems, flowers and fruits of the plants. Some plants use their stem for storage. Desert cacti store water and food in their stem. Stem transport water and food from the plant's roots to its leaves and flowers. They also support leaves and flowers. You may think all the stems are easy to see, like that of a tree, but some stems stay underground. The potato you eat is an underground stem. Stem of small plants such as coriander, etc. are soft and green. The stem of plants such as rose are firm, strong and often thick. In this picture, there is a small plant, and this picture shows the transportation of water by the stem potato underground the stem. This is the potato plant. Potato is a stem eating plant because potato store food in the stem. This is the stem, and this is the transportation of water by the stem potato underground stem. Potato is a underground stem plant. Now, leaves. The leaves of a plant make the food. It helps plants to survive. The water and nutrient were taken in by the roots. Then the water moves upward through the stem to the leaves. The leaves take sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air and convert the nutrient to plant's food. This process is called photosynthesis. We eat the leaves of some plants such as lettuce and spinach. Leaves are also called the kitchen or food factory of the plant because they make food for the entire plants. Leaves are the different shapes and size. You can see in the picture there are different types of leaves. All the plants have leaves, but not all the leaves are same in shape and size. The basic structure of the leaves is same in all the leaves, but they are different in shape and size. Some plants have big size of leaf and some plants have small size of leaf. So these are the leaves of the different plants: mango leaf, neem leaf and banana leaf. Parts of a leaf. The flat, broad portion of a leaf is called the leaf blade. The line going through the center of the leaf is called the main vein. A lot of small veins arise from the main vein, forming a network of veins. The main vein of the leaf is called petiole. The underside of the leaf has very tiny small holes called stomata. The stomata allow the exchange of gases. This picture are showing the basic structure of leaf. The basic structure of all the leaves of all the plants are same. First, this part of the leaf called leaf base or stipule. This is axil. The main vein of the leaf is called petiole. This is the petiole because this is the main vein of the leaf. The line going through the center of the leaf is called vein. This is the vein. And the flat, broad portion of the leaf is called leaf blade. And the end of the leaf is called tip. So this is the basic structure of the leaf. There is one more thing in the leaf which is not easy to see, which is stomata. Stomata are the very tiny pores which are underside of the leaf, which are present on the underside of the leaf, surface of the leaf, undersurface. What is the work of stomata? Stomata exchange the gases. Plants take carbon dioxide through the stomata and plants take out oxygen through the stomata. So the function of stomata is exchanges of gases. Flowers and fruits. Flowers and fruits are the very important part of the plants. क्योंकि flowers become fruit and in the fruit there is a seed by which a new plant can grow. That is why flowers and fruits are the very important part of the plants. When a plant receives the proper amount of the water, nutrient, air and sunlight, it produces flowers. The flowers usually grow on the stem. The butterflies and insects are attracted to flowers because of their bright color and sweet smell. They are of different shapes, sizes and colors. Flowers or some smell. Some plants are also edible. Cauliflower is one such flower. Some flower grow into fruit. The flowers help in reproduction. There is many fruits. You can see in the picture there is a watermelon, apple, orange, tomato. These plants have many seeds. Watermelon have many seeds, apple have many seeds, oranges have many seeds, and tomato also have many seeds. Seed become a new baby plant. So these are the fruits of the plants. When the flower dies and fall off, it leaves behind a fruit. Fruits that we eat, like apple, orange, watermelon, and tomatoes, contain many seeds. Fruits protect the seed. Seed. The seed is the part that grows into a new plant. If we plant a bean seed, we will get a plant just like the one that made the seed. Seed also store the food for the baby plant. When the seed gets enough air, water, warmth, the baby plant starts growing. The process by which a seed grows into a new tiny plant is called germination. Germination is the process by which plants grow into a new plants. When the seed get the proper amount of warm air and sunlight, it become a new baby plant. Fruits protect the seed and seed become a new baby plant. When the flower dies and fall off, it leaves behind a fruit. Fruits that we eat like apple, orange, watermelon and tomatoes contain many seeds. Fruits protect the seed. Some seeds like corn, rice, bean and gram are edible. Seeds of lemon, orange and cherry are inedible. Edible means seed that we can eat, and inedible means seed that we cannot eat. We can eat the seed of corn, rice, bean, gram, but we cannot eat the seed of orange and cherry. These are non-edible seed. So this was your lesson. Today we have read the lesson properly. In the next period, I will explain the lesson. Let's see the lesson in short. It means what things we have learned in the lesson or we have read in the lesson. First, like us, plants also have different parts. Second, fruits are very important for the plants because roots absorb the water and nutrient and supply to all the parts of the plants by the stem. The shoot system includes the above the ground structure of plants. Shoot system work above the ground. Shoot system includes flowers, buds, fruits, stem, leaves. These are the parts of shoot. Stem of plants, small plants such as coriander, etc. are soft and green. Some plants have soft stem like coriander, and this stem are green in color. The leaves of a plant make the food the plants need to survive. Leaves we can call the kitchen of the plant in which the food is prepared. Leaves prepare the food for the entire plant, which is very necessary to survive and grow. The flowers usually grow on the stem. Usually means commonly. usually means commonly. You can underline the word and write meaning. Commonly usually means commonly. The flowers commonly grow on the stem. The seed is the part that grow into a plant. Seed is the future plant because plant reproduce by the seed. Without seed, no plant can reproduce. Seed is the future plants and fruit protect the seed. So, this was your lesson. I hope you read with me lesson carefully and read again the lesson at your home and underline the words which is hard for you and to find out the meaning. Try to find out the meaning of hard words. Otherwise, next period, I will explain the lesson. So, I also will tell you the meaning of the hard words. And one more thing, try to fill up the exercise by your own self. Because when you will read the lesson, you will easily find the exercise. If you have any problem, you will just clear in the next period. Okay, so read again this lesson. This was your second lesson, plant life. We have read many things in the lesson, like parts of plant, types of fruit, taproot, fibrous root. There are two systems, shoot system and root system. Leaves, photosynthesis, parts of leaf, structure of leaf, flowers and fruits, and the last is seed. We just only read the lesson. In the next period, I will explain your lesson.